Imagine vanishing. Just gone. December 1, 1946. 18-year-old Paula Jean Welden walked into the Vermont woods. A bright red parka. Jeans. Just a normal hike. Witnesses saw her disappear north along the long trail. That was it. Then, silence. No body. No trace. Hundreds searched. Police. The FBI. Nothing. Accident? Kidnapping? Something far darker? Paula simply ceased to exist. Vermont's most baffling cold case. A mystery unsolved. Dare to know more? Follow for true, chilling stories, or risk missing out.